So guys, welcome to the second tutorial. So you can see guys, we stopped explaining. We have at the first session we explained you and we gave you a simple idea about these three plans, right? So guys, there is nothing in here. You only need to understand three things, right? First one is how you can get started for free as you are a beginner, and understanding about this platform, about the dashboard and other stuffs which we will be doing today. And the third stuff is getting sales. So these are the three important things which you have to understand, right? Other stuffs even you can read them and understand. Also we will be explaining you and we will be giving you an idea, so no need to worry about that. So guys, if we scroll down, you can see the features, right? Compare features. So the free plan, month free, price is free, and venture 15 here, unlimited 99. And also if you see about the sales channels, right? Sales channels in the sense guys, the stores where you can create, right? Using this ecwid, right? You can create more sales channels, which mean links, right? You can start an online store in the same here ecwid itself, and also in Facebook, in Instagram, and also you can sell on Amazon and eBay. So see, such an amazing opportunity, right? Don't lose it guys, right? So in the free plan only you can create a store in ecwid, so other stuffs are not available, but it is a very big opportunity. And also in venture plan they have given you 4 options, and in the business plan you have all 4. So guys, right, we recommend you for starting. You can start with free because we are focusing on the free plan, and we are going until getting sales. So you can start with the venture plan after your business grows, right? So the promotion you can get in the free plan itself, right? Only the MailChimp and automated email marketing you will not be getting. So all the stuffs you will be getting, right? And other features, right? Number of products in free platform you can sell 10 products, and here 100, 2500 and unlimited. And digital goods you can't sell here in the free platform, as we said you earlier in the last video. And also guys, unlimited bandwidth mean guys, it is related with the hosting, right? You don't need to get hosting separately, because they give you hosting from their own platform. You only need to get these guys if you buy the venture plan. Here is the venture plan, a domain, right? So you might think why you can't use your own domain in the free plan. So guys, think like this. Now you are managing this and you own this website, so will you give everything for free? No, right? So that is to build up their business and to grow their business, and also providing a user-friendly service for the clients. They also have limited sum, right? So no need to worry about that, because personally I love this platform, right? I have get lot of sales, so no need to worry about not anything. Continue with us and make sure to subscribe, right? So subscribing our channel and sharing and commenting is what we need to grow our channel. So hope you all will support us, right? So, and also instant site builder, add store to any website, like I will be explaining you about this, right? You can add it to Wix, and also Squarespace and many other, right? And sell simultaneously on multiple sites, which means guys, at the moment you are selling in ecwid, you can sell in Facebook, you can sell in Instagram, you can sell in Wix, and all the thing, right? And also Facebook pixel one tap checkout with Apple Pay, right? This is the most important thing in the free plan, even you are getting that. And also text invoices, right? So all the other stuffs you can see here, you can read them, be getting for venture as well as business, right? And also support here, phone, right? And platforms where you can sell. This is what I was hoping, right? This is the most important thing. In the free platform as well as all the other three, you can sell in WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Joomla, as well as Blogger and Tumblr, and more, right? So you can see the best in class, best usability for easiest to use, right? These are the awards they have got. So nothing to tell about other stuffs, because already I recommend you all to start with ecwid. While many other YouTubers, they don't tell you the truth behind this, because many I have seen many YouTubers, they're telling that Shopify is the best one, and they are criticizing ecwid. But personally, we recommend you guys to start with ecwid, right? Okay guys, let's start with how to register and how to get started with ecwid in our next session. So guys, hope you all enjoyed this. Have a nice day.